Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing a bunch of unboxing videos back to back to back to back to back. And today we're doing an unboxing of different companies, different fragrances, etc. So this is a mixed bag unboxing. So we're gonna start with Demeter Between the Sheets. This is the box. This is the bottle. This is one of the biggest scents that I have. Great. This is 4 ounces, so 120 milliliters. Fantastic. Let's give it a sniff. This is kind of like more body spray than anything else. Yeah, this is giving pretty fruity, kind of citrusy, but just fruit. I think raspberry or strawberry. Is it strawberry? No, I think strawberry. Is this giving strawberry? Let me see. Between the Sheets. Am I correct? Is this a strawberry scent? Are you strawberry? No, it's supposed to be passion fruit. No, oh, mango. Yeah, this is giving much more mango than passion fruit. Passion fruit, I cannot tell at all. Guava, maybe. Passion fruit, not at all. Passion fruit just a strong scent. I'm surprised I can't pick it up. But yeah, it's giving fruity. This is giving fruit cocktail. Literally, just fruit cocktail. Have you ever had those little fruit cocktail things? That's what this smells like. Good, just good. So the second one is, and honestly, I got this one just because of the bottle, because the bottle just looked insane. Pepe Jeans London Celebrate. And I just enjoyed this silly bottle. It's a little cocktail glass. That is so cute. This is Pepe Jeans right there. And it opens like that. That is adorable. I love that. That is surprisingly, that's funny. That is surprisingly good. I laugh because it says here, use responsibly, flavor infused with sensual elixir, not to be taken without supervision, highly addictive. A warning on top. This is another fruity scent, very nice. It's not very deep, it just smells very, very sweet. Very, very in your face sweet. I wouldn't call it sophisticated at all. I wouldn't call it layered. To me, it just smells sweet on top. It's good, not fantastic, not like, oh my god, something to write home about. It's not something that I would say is fantastically layered or complex, just sweet. Next one, I'm going with French Avenue Royal Blend. This opens like this. Little card fill out, and that is the scent, which is really jammed in there, and that is the scent. This is supposed to have cognac, cinnamon, plum, cashmere, iris, myrrh, tonka beans, vanilla, and santal. I think this is supposed to be like angel share, but I'm not 100% sure. I don't remember what the notes specifically for angel share are. Yeah, this is like angel share-ish. It smells very good. It smells very soft, very delicate, very sophisticated, very angel sherry. I already know I'm gonna hate the lid because it doesn't snap on in every way. You have to specifically put it in a specific way. It smells very close to angel share, very cognac-y, plummy, cinnamony. It smells very like, I'm not just reciting the notes. It smells, that's what it actually smells like. It smells very spicy, very fruity, but plummy. Plum has a very specific smell like that. I always think of that wine, that Fuki, I think it's Fuki, Fuki, the plum wine. It always smells like that. It smells very good. I really enjoy it. It's basically another angel share clone, but it's very good. It smells very soft and very delicate. I like it a lot. We'll go back to it once it rests. Next one is Zimaya Ramsh. So let's open that up. That's an interesting looking little bottle. Ooh, that is that Bianco Latte like? It smells very sweet, very like tonic, caramelly. I think that's supposed to be like Bianco Latte. Let me see. Vanilla, jasmine, fruity notes, sugar, tonka bean, vanilla again, amber, patchouli, musk. So no caramel, but it smells very vanilla-y, very sweet, very decadent, very it smells very good. I really like this. I'm a sucker for vanilla scents. I'm a sucker for sweet scents. I'm a sucker for gourmands, and this is hitting all those. This is really good. I really enjoy this one. I'm a sucker for sweet scents. Damn, I'm such a sucker for sweet scents. Like, you can win me over with a sweet scent so easily. Like, so easily. Okay, so I'm opening this without even showing you. I'm sorry, I'm just like so focused in doing it that I'm like not paying attention. So, hi guys. So next one is our Haramain Manege Blanche, or Blanc. Manege Blanche. So this one is the weirdest one I think I've seen in a while. Oh no. Okay, so I think it comes in its own little case. Let me take the whole thing out and show it to you all together. So this comes on this case like that. And when I tell you, look at this. Can you see that? It's very sticky. That is a little disgusting. Can you see that? Let me see if I can put a oh, and it stays sticky. Paper. This top comes off to reveal the scent. That is a bitchin' little bottle. This reminds me of the Karate Kid. That thing. I don't know if you know what I'm talking about. The reference I'm making, but yeah, this reminds me of that. This is a cool thing if it wasn't so fucking sticky. Oh, I thought I broke it. Oh, I did break it. Oh my god. So don't grab it from here to pull it off, because I literally pulled this thing off. So this smells white florals, sweet, very feminine, mature. Doesn't smell bad, but it smells much older than this one, for example. Florals, sweet, mature, powdery, very powdery. That kind of vibe is that scent. This bottle is so crazy. I'm loving it just because it's insane. I love insane bottles. So we're gonna go down the line again and do a quick rundown of second sniff. Between the sheets, I can smell the passion fruit more now. Passion fruit, pineapple. Those are the two things I'm smelling now. It used to smell like a fruit cocktail. Now it smells like passion fruit and pineapple. Very good. Delicious. Like this a lot. This is very good for like a Puerto Rican vibe or a Latino vibe. I like it. The bottle is leaking everywhere. So not a great build quality. I wonder if it's like body splash longevity, but overall, I like it a lot. I want to say Pepe Le Pew for some reason, but Pepe Jeans, London. It still smells generically sweet with slight freshy vibes. Like it smells slightly fresh with a lot of sweet. Nothing special. Nothing. This is the most boring scent for such a cool looking bottle. Royal Blend regular, very Angel Share. Angel Share spot on. Like spot on. To the point where it's even as soft as Angel Share, because I think Angel Share is really soft. So it's really soft like Angel Share. So very spot on. This one changed. This one was very sweet, very vanilla-y. So this one has mellowed out quite a bit. It's become very soft. Very soft, light vanilla. Very, very soft. Like your skin but better. This is your skin but better, slightly vanilla. Like you lightly rubbed vanilla on yourself. This is really nice for a feminine vibe. If you want to go like feminine mystique thing, this is really good. I like that. And then I'm gonna check this one again for last. The powderiness is kind of fading away. So this is giving, this has to have like some kind of like, if there's like a weird fruit and a weird, it has to have jasmine or something around, because it's giving a funk, and I don't know what I never know what the funk is. Top notes of oriental notes and vanilla. Middle notes of saffron, patchouli. Base notes of musk and guaiac wood. So I'm guessing that patchouli is what I'm, no, saffron is what I'm smelling. So saffron and patchouli kind of mixing together to create a little funkiness. It's good. It's actually better than the original smell. It smells more complex, more interesting. So overall, this is a like. This is a like a lot. This is a like a lot. This is a like a lot, and this is a meh. So I'm interested in all these. So far, I think my favorite one is this one. Give me your thoughts, guys. Would you like me to move any of these up in the queue and review it first? That way you get a full review of it, like wear time test and all that stuff. Let me know. Remember, the sense is subjective. What I like isn't necessarily what you like. And always remember to smell your best. See ya.